So welcome friends, and let me talk about how you can format strings. Proper output in a proper way, in a formatted way, is a very important task that we need to know, because till now we are only dealing with the print functions where it can print anything as it is, that the way we write. But let's take an amount. Let's take an example where you want to display a number, a decimal number that is having the six decimal places to three decimal places. So how you can show it, how you can format it, or how you can include the literals or variables inside a string. So this is where the string formatting comes into the play. So here I'm going to show you how you can format the strings, how you can use ripper functions, and how you can format all this. So the first example come here. Let me talk about the formatting by using the format methods, a very simple methods that is used to format your output by using the curly braces and dot format function. You can also go with the F between the strings and it will automatically be formatted. Here is an example. For example, if you want to calculate the area of the Eiffel Tower, that is a height of the 324 and the width of 300, and you can use F outside the strings and it will show an area in a curly braces. So this is the way where we are passing a variable for an output by using the two curly braces. Or you can use dot format method, which is very simple. That is, I'm going to show you in an example. So let's have a demonstration. So this will clear the whole picture.